Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today let us solve a question from class 8th, exercise 1.1 and the first question of mathematics. So see the question: using appropriate properties find the value of these numbers. So when you see these numbers, minus 2 by 3 into 3 by 5 plus 5 by 2 minus 3 by 5 into 1 upon 6. So we need to rearrange the numbers over here using commutative properties which you have learnt earlier in the class. So let us group the numbers. Let us write minus 3 upon 5 into 2 upon 3. The value doesn't change. 2 upon 3, I just shifted it towards this side. Minus 3 upon 5 into 2 by 3. Then next, minus 3 upon 5 into 1 upon 6. I have written before and I will be writing plus 5 by 2 towards the end. The value remains the same. It remains unchanged. And what property are we using here, students? We are using commutative property. Write in the bracket commutative property. So next, can you see these two groups? Here in these two groups, we can take out minus 3 by 5 minus 3 by 5 as the common factor. Let us take out minus 3 by 5 out of the groups as the common factor. What do we get inside the bracket remaining? 2 upon 3 remains, and this minus we have taken out becomes plus, and here 1 by 6 remains inside the bracket. Let us close the bracket, and in the end it is 5 upon 2. So let us simplify the brackets. Minus 3 upon 5. Inside the brackets you can take the LCM. 3 and 6. LCM would be 6. So 3 2s are 6. So it is into 2, 4. This is plus in between. 6 1s are 6. So into 1 it is 1. Plus 5 by 2. So students, also which property we had used here in the earlier step? It was distributive property. Taking out a common factor. Distributive property. You need to write in the brackets because it's given the question using appropriate properties. Distributive property. So next, this gives, this is equal to minus 3 by 5 and it is 5 by 6. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 upon 6 plus 5 by 2. Proceeding the next step, we get this is equal to minus 3 by 5. This 5 gets cancelled out. These 3 1s are, these 3 2s are. And minus half remains. It is 1 upon 2 plus 5 by 2. This gives 2 is LCM. And it is minus 1 plus 5. This is minus 1 plus 5 is 4. 4 upon 2. This is 2. So students, the answer is 2. I think you have understood the solution. Now let us solve the second part of the first question. So here also you can see the two groups. 2 by 5 is common in the first and the third group. It is 2 by 5 into minus 3 by 7 and plus 1 by 14 into 2 by 5. So let us rearrange the numbers again. So first let us write 2 upon 5, 2 upon 5 into minus 3 by 7 and plus 1 by 14 into 2 by 5. And this group I'll write it at the end. Minus 1 by 6 into 3 by 2. So let us take out the common factor here, 2 by 5, these two groups. So 2 by 5 is common and remaining is minus 3 by 7 inside the bracket and plus 1 by 14. And this is minus 3 1s are, 3 2s are, minus 1 by 4. So students, what property are we using over here? We are using distributive property. as in the first part. Distributive property. Proceeding forward, 2 by 5. We take the LCM inside the brackets. 7 and 4 LCM, 14. LCM of 7 and 14 is 14. And 7 2s are 14. This will be multiplied by 2. We'll get here minus 6. And 14 1s are 14. We'll multiply this numerator by 1. Then we'll be getting here 1. And remaining at the end is minus 1 by 4. So this is equal to 2 by 5. In the bracket, minus 6 plus 1 is minus 5 upon 14 minus 1 by 4. So in the next step, we can cancel 5 and 5 and 2 and 14. So we'll cancel here 5 ones are, 5 ones are, 2 ones are and 2 sevens are. So what remains over here? Minus 1 by 7 and at the end it is minus 1 by 4. So again we take the LCM 7 and 4. LCM of 7 and 4 is 28. So 7 4s are 28. So into 4 minus 4. And this is 4 7s are 28. So into 7 minus 7. So what do we get over here? Minus 4 and minus 7 is how much? Minus 11 divided by 14. So further you cannot simplify at all. So we retain the answer as it is. Answer is minus 11 by 28. Students, I think you have understood the concept and the second part of the first question.